Hey guys, we're back.
Hey guys!
We're back with another Pokemon break. We got another Twilight Masquerade booster box here. So let's open this one and see what we're blessed with. Alright, here we go. You know the drill. My dude's got his popcorn, hold the best one. Pikachu hold the second best one. Dude's got his little hat on. So he's going to give us a special delivery. Let's see how special it is. The last booster box at ETB weren't very special. So, but always blessed, guys. So here we go. Starting out with a Mario Leaf. Dreepy Joe. Bass Pro Shop. Anything good? Anything? Nothing. Oh, no first pack's blessings there, but always blessed. Uh-oh. I don't know whose energy that is. Miami Dolphins. Where's the good one? Anything good? Anything? Oh, man. Already got this one. Fan favorite. Alright. First hit spot goes to a duplicate. Major League Baseball. Eevee, where's the good one? Oh, there's the love ball. Anything good? Anything? Nothing. Okie dokie. Alright. Uh-oh. Fire. Is that hit gonna be fire? We're on fire for Yeshua, and you know this. Where's the SIR of that? Where's Dip Applin? Anything good? Anything? Nothing. Jack Skellington. Alright. Uh-oh, there's your boy's energy. He's gonna shock the hits awake. Shock the rest of the box and leave us shocked. I think I see something. Nope, guess not. Alright. Thought I saw something, but nope. Inferno. Sunflower, sunflower. Anything good? Anything? Nothing. Oh man, come on. The weird way that it opened. Whose energy that is? Applin, where's Diplin? Ha! Already got her twice. There's Diplin. Anything good? Anything? Oh, Green Ninja. Teasing. Only our second Green Ninja sighting. Alright. 2 hits, 2 duplicates. And I haven't mentioned, but these packs, they feel sturdy. Mario Leaf. Applin, where's Diplin? There's your boy Leafy on. Oh, survival brace, SBR. Ace spec cards, I'm ace. Anything good? Oh, cool, double hit pack, finally. All right. Triple hit? No, Zapdos. Wow, that's cool, all right. Glad to get that. 2 things we didn't have in 1 pack. Nice. I'll let him have that. Your boy likes, my dude likes to hold the P cards. Nice, double hit pack. All right. 4 hits already. So all that box left and probably only 9, maybe 10 hits left. But let's see what happens. Yeah, that's a lot of cards or a lot of packs left. Timber. Uh-oh, where's the good one? Sunflower. Sunflower. Chansey Billups, anything good? Anything? Oh! Wow. Okay, didn't have him. We'll take it. Three things in a row we didn't have. Nice. Looks like a Harry Potter guy. All right, that's already 5 hits, and we still got the whole left side and a lot of the right. So, and that's what I'm saying, an average of 13, 14 hits. Major League Baseball. Snorlax. Oh, where's the good one? Where's the blessed helmet? Anything? Nothing. All right. Whose energy that is? Miami Dolphins. Anything good? Anything? About 8 packs left on this right side. Can't tell. It's your boy's energy. Shock the rest of the hits awake. Shock the box awake. Leave us shocked. Miami Dolphins. Handheld fan. Anything good? Anything? Nothing. Golly. Miami Dolphins. Where's the blessed helmet? Anything good? Anything? Nothing. Alright. 5 packs left on the right side. Lots of hits. Mario Leaf. Chancey Billups. Dipplin, where's Applin? Oh, where's the good one? Anything good? Anything? Oh, I don't think we have this. Mecha Tyranitar. Nice. So another hit on this right side. What's gonna be left on the left, if anything? Whose energy that is? Festival grounds. Where's BRcade? Anything good? Anything? Dude! Oh man! Another hit spot, another duplicate. Alright. Lots of hits on this side, man. Lots of hit spots being taken up. There's my dude's energy. Applin, or Dipplin, where's Applin? Anything good? Anything? Alright. Here we go. Pack 17. What's that, John John? That's right. Alright. Let's see what John John's got in his pack. He's been pretty occupied with his new pool and all kinds of other summer vacation activities. See if you got anything good in his pack today. Anything good? Anything? Ah, John John. Alright. Last pack from the right side. A lot of hits. Let's see if there's one more for the road. Major League Baseball. Dreepy Joe. Sunflower. Sunflower. Anything good? Anything? Nothing. Monkey Dory. Alright. First pack on the left side. You know the spiel. Some kid would have won a jackpot. Turned in his tickets and asked for a pack of Pokemon. This would have been the pack he would have got. This would have been the first pack they put out. The first pack on display. So let's see if he would have been happy or if he should have bought some candy. Your boy's energy. He's got to shock the left side awake and leave us shocked. Bug catching set. We need that. Anything good? Anything? Oh, dude! Oh, yeah. That's like we got this in the last ETB. Like, man. So, duplicate. Well, I don't know if he would have been satisfied with that, so maybe he would have bought 2 packs because he won a big jackpot. So let's see what he would have got with his second pack. Or if he should have spent it on candy and went and played laser tag. Bonnet, community center, go shoot some baskets. Anything good? Anything? Nothing. Should have went and played laser tag. Alright. So we got a lot of packs to go, but there's a lot of hits showing. So who knows how many are left. Mario Leaf. Applin, where's Dipplin? Oh, where's the good one? Anything? Nothing. energy that is. Eevee, where's the good one? Danny Phantom. Bass Pro Shops. There's Love Ball. Anything good? Oh, Timber. Cool. All right, we'll take it. Another double hit pack? No. All right. Alright. At least we got 4 things we didn't have. So that's good. But still got a long ways to go on this side. Uh-oh. Fire. Is the hit gonna be fire? We're on fire for Yeshua, and you know this. Wow. Anything good? Anything? Phew, Jack Skellington. Alright. Major League Baseball. Applin, where's Diplin? Anything good? Anything? Nothing. Okie dokie. Alright. Look at how these packs are open. Oh, come on, man. You fired that amateur breaker already. Girder. Oh, I get it. Like Bender. Diplin, where's Applin? Anything good? Anything? Oh, man. Why couldn't this be a Jigglypuff? Then I'd be screaming. Alright. Another hit spot gone. Another duplicate. It's your boy's energy. He's got to shock these last packs awake. Timber. There's your girl. Anything good? Anything? Mario Leaf. Chancey Billups. Boy Leaf. Oh, another unfair stamp. Wow. Ace SPEC cards love us because I'm Ace. Double hit. Anything? Oh, another hit spot gone with another duplicate. Oh, where's the good one? Anything good? Anything? Nothing. Alright. There's about 8 packs left. Man. Boys energy that is. Snorlax. Root bonnet. Oh, cool. All right. Didn't have that. Nice. Anything else? Nice. All right. Another card we didn't have. We'll take it. Man, what's up with these packs? Mario Leaf. Miami Dolphins. Where's the good one? Where's Diplin? Anything good? Oh, dude. It's a lot of hits. Wonder how many's left. Alright. Major League Baseball. Dreepy Joe. Oh, where's the good one? Snorlax, anything good? Anything? Nothing. Uh-oh, fire. Is the hit gonna be fire? We're on fire for Yeshua, and you know this. Diplin, where's Applin? Anything good? Anything? Oh, cool. All right. Mecha Tyranitar. So, yeah, I think this is our first full art of anything. I don't think we've gotten one full art other than this one. Cool. Nice. All right. Another card we didn't have, so we'll take it. And our first full art. Other than the gold, we got a gold, so that's always full art. It's your boy's energy. Shock the last of these packs awake and leave us shocked. Eevee, where's the good one? Miami Dolphins. Diplin, where's Applin? Anything good? Anything? Alright, last 3 packs. Let's see if there's any last packs blessings with an S. Oh my god. Where's the blessed helmet? Anything good? Oh, cool. All right. Gold skateboard. Nice. We'll take it. Second gold. Double hit pack? Nothing. All right. Nice. Now your boy likes to hold the gold. Alright. Last 2 packs. Mario Leaf. Danny Phantom. Where's the good one? Anything good? Anything? All right. Last pack. Lots of hits. Nothing too spectacular, but I mean, lots of hits. Let's see if there's a sneaky one for the road. Frogadier. Applin, where's Diplin? Festival Grounds, where's BRcade? Anything good? Anything? Ah, Monkey Dory. Alright guys, we're back with a recap. Well, that was a totally decent box. 15 total hits. Nothing too spectacular. We got a lot of stuff that we didn't have, but always blessed no matter what. So here's everything we were blessed with. Another one of those. Another one of those. Another one of those. We didn't have that. Glad to get that. Another one of those. Another Greninja sighting. Another one of those. Didn't have that. Glad to get that. Didn't have any of these. So really glad to get these. Especially the Timber. Didn't have that. Ace Spec cards love us. I'm Ace. Got another unfair stamp. Didn't have this Iron Thorns Mecha Tyranitar. So glad to get that. But this was the best hit in the box. And it's a great card. So always blessed, guys. So we got plenty more Twilight Masquerade breaks coming up, guys. So until the next one, God bless and thank you for watching.